Can you imagine driving in this scorching heat? Windows down, wind blasting your face, but you're still sweating buckets. It's like being in a sauna on wheels. If your car's AC is blowing hot air, don't despair, you're not alone, and I'm here to help. The most common culprit is a refrigerant leak. Your AC system is a closed loop, so if the gas escapes, there's nothing left to create that cool, refreshing air. Another possibility is a faulty compressor, which is the heart of your AC system. If it's not working, the refrigerant can't circulate. Finally, a blocked condenser, usually located at the front of your car, can prevent heat from escaping, meaning the air inside never gets cold. So, what can you do? First, check the AC pressure. You can get a simple gauge for this. If it's low, you might just need a recharge, but it's best to get a professional leak test to find the source of the problem. For complex issues like the compressor, a trip to a trusted mechanic is your best bet. Stay cool out there. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. Thanks for watching.